What's up, guys? It's day 2 for our 6-7 day week. We're gonna be here, and we're here way early. We're tired. It's cold.
Yeah.
It's like 6:40 right now, and it's just cold.
Yeah. Well, we wanted to get here early whenever the fish are biting a lot during the morning. And we're way upstream from where we were yesterday, so hopefully we get some first cast luck.
Yeah, we need to catch some big bass today.
Hey guys, I'll show you what the river is like.
It's all foggy too.
Yeah, there's fog.
Look over there. Look over.
It's sunny, foggy.
Yeah.
I'm using this spinner bait right here. Austin had luck on it yesterday, so
No, it's not the same one, but yeah, I have luck on that.
it's a colorful one like this, but yeah, hopefully we can catch some big bass. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so let's get fishing.
For sure.
All right, guys, Donnie just got a, what is it? He just got a smallie. Go check it out. Don't want to spook the fish. Don, were you just giving it a couple pops?
Yeah, just caught it.
Nice, bro. Yeah, did you bring the scale too?
It's so smelly.
He's a little buddy.
Yeah, I spotted it.
Just out of curiosity, though, Dominic, did you bring the scale just in case we were to catch a big one?
Yep.
Good.
See, look at him go. I think I was caught it, and then I saw him coming out, so I casted like a little ahead of him,
Yeah?
and then I was just thinking about that.
I'm going to try to cast right in that little inlet, but I don't think I can cast that far. Yeah, definitely not that far. Maybe whenever it gets a little bit warmer, I'll walk in the water a little bit. Were you just giving it little pops and then reeling in?
Alright guys, so it's Dominic and Austin and Lucas are way down there, somewhere down there, switching their lures. We were originally down there. There's this path along the water over here that me, Austin, and Luke love to go to, and along here is like really deep water, so hopefully we could catch some more bass.
Alright, guys, Donnie's got a smallie right now. Another smallie. Second smallie of the day, eh?
Yeah, second one.
Nice, here, show it up to the camera.
This guy's same bait using the craw.
Yeah.
Green pumpkin.
So far, I haven't had any luck, but just gonna try to give it a little pop. Oh, big old bass, largie.
Oh, two!
Dude, those are huge. Those are huge. Damn, that thing is massive.
I think that's big bait.
Oh, for sure. Why'd you throw it right at him?
I was trying to throw it way out there, then it wiggled out of my hand.
Dude, that was at least a 3-pounder.
Oh, yeah. I think one went down and one went up.
Yeah, same. I don't know where, though. Should we go try to find him? I think I see a smallie right there.
He sees one coming down.
I see a smallie right there.
You see one?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, I see one. That is the same one.
Hey, I don't mind catching the same one.
No, tell me about it.
As long as I catch a fish.
Ask Luke to see if he sees any bass.
Lucas, do you see any bass down there? What? He does.
He does?
Yeah. Really? Here, I think, Dominic, you go up, try to catch the one that's up there. I'll go try to catch the one that's down here then. He went down a little bit. I'll get him.
catch anything yet? No? The bass went down?
Yeah.
The largie?
Yep. It's actually about a pound.
Oh, it was a big one. I wonder if Dominic has his scale with him. Tripping over weeds right now.
Alright guys, so this morning we were fishing a little bit. We woke up real early, 6 o'clock, and I was the only one to catch 2 smallies. And now we're fishing. It's like 12 o'clock. We're fishing where we fished yesterday, and
The only difference is that it's daytime now.
yeah. And I just caught a smallie. So, and me and Austin are having a competition. So by the end of the week, there's like 6 days that we're fishing here, because we're gonna be here for a week. So by the end of the week, whoever catches more fish wins, and determine who. And it's gonna be like for money. So say I catch 6 fish and Austin catches 8, he would get $2 because the 2 fish he caught over me. So right now, me and Austin both have 3 smallies. So we're just here trying to catch some more bass. We haven't caught any largemouth, which is so surprising, or spotted. But,
So, yeah, let's get right to it. All right, guys. Donnie has a little smallie. Here, Don, bring him to me. Show the dude, this thing is tiny.
yeah, I literally cast upstream. We haven't had any fish in so long, and I finally got one.
Yep, and I'm snagged right here
Tell
trying to
them
get
our
it.
situation. Show them where we're at. You know, what
Yeah,
we're trying to
we're on a tree and we're trying to cast up on the bank over there. So far, it's kind of working.
Look at this, guys. Little smallie. We haven't caught anything in so long. I'm very relieved.
Dominic has 4 catches now. I only have 3, so I'm actually kind of disappointed now.
Well, I'm trying my hardest because we've caught 7 bass total out of all of us, and the only fish that we caught were smallies, and not a single large one. It's very disappointing. But Austin's trying to get untangled, and there's spiders all over this tree.
It's kind of scary. Dom, can you hold my pole real quick? Dom?
Yeah. I got it.
Thanks.
Bring it down.
I think I got it.
Alright guys, so it's day 2, and we woke up early in the morning, went fishing, came home, ate breakfast. We went in the afternoon fishing, came home, ate lunch, and now it's the evening, and we're gonna do, a little challenge. So the end of the, how should I say it? So we're going to be here like 6 days, and the goal, or there's going to be a challenge. It's only for me and Austin because Lucas is leaving today.
Yeah.
So, or tomorrow. So, me and Austin, whoever catches the most fish, gets paid money. So, say I catch 5, he catches 6, he'll get paid $1.
I think we already explained it this morning.
I don't know, but I'm just, reminding them. And then now we're going to do the same thing, except we're only using spinner baits. So, hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's get fishing.
Alright guys, Lucas just got a little smallie. And that thing's tiny, bro. So far you're winning the challenge though. Actually no, you're tied with Dom.
Yeah. It's first fish of the weekend. So hopefully we can get some more smallies. He's hooked in there pretty good.
Yeah.
He's barely hooked in there, but There you go.
There we go. See you later, buddy. Alright, guys. First Molly in the spinnerbait challenge. And got him on this little spinnerbait.
That was a little small
Little baby guy, yeah.
Well, hopefully you and Austin can catch some more, and good luck in your spinnerbait challenge.
Well, you're gonna be in it, so I mean,
True.
but the
Just not for long.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be leaving tomorrow, so yeah. All right, guys. Dominic's got his 8th fish. Somehow, I definitely had a bite over there though.
This is our second smallie in the spinnerbait tournament. Now, guys, we already lost a total. Austin lost a spinnerbait. I lost a spinnerbait getting snagged, and Lucas lost a spinnerbait. So now I'm using this little red Neps deep diver. Austin's using black.
Yeah, let's get fishing. I'm gonna try to fish in this little pocket right here. I did have a bite right over here, so hopefully I can get a fish, because right now I'm not doing so good today. I don't know why.